Story of the fruits.
Hello, we are fruits. We grow on trees and plants in orchards. We fruits are fleshy and also contain many seeds within us. We can be sweet or sour in flavor. We can be eaten raw, juiced, or even cooked into a dish. We are filled with vitamins and minerals which will make you healthy and strong. However, not all parts of us are edible. You may have to dispose of our skin, seeds, or pulp at different times. Make sure to store us properly in the refrigerator to prevent us from getting spoiled. Go on and make us a part of your daily diet and reap the benefits of good health all your life.
Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe this channel.